Hey friends, happy Memorial Day. I probably already have a video up of like a makeup tutorial I did on Friday, but I'm posting today because I was lazy this weekend. A girl was outside from Friday to Sunday, so Monday she's recovering because fortunately she has work. Love work. So today's video is going to be different. I'm going to show you what I do when I don't put on makeup. Basically, this is a skincare day. I know if anyone's like, girl, why are you talking about skincare and you got hyperpigmented spots? Let me tell you something. I have completely changed around my diet and my skin has been purging, so my skin was actually worse than this. This is just my pimples going down and the scarring. Now it's all about making sure I'm getting back on track. So this is what I've been doing currently because my skin has been in that stage. It's going back to normal now because I would never break out here and here. Just, you know, it's just the purge of your skin. So days like this, I'm going to start out with this toner. I've been loving this toner recently. This was actually sent to me by Reboncel. This is their Aqua Rich Pure Essential Toner for intensive, dry, and sensitive skin. I don't really have very dry skin. I have more oily skin, but because of my skin purging, I'm going to say I have sensitive skin now because, you know, I'm really just trying not to mess with her group. A formula similar to this is the Fenty Beauty Fat Water, and I love that one too. I let this sit into my skin for about 15 to 20 seconds. Realistically, I just love when products really just sink into your pores. I don't like to just put pat all over because once again, my skin at this moment is acting up and I just want to make sure if something is irritating my skin, I know exactly where to pinpoint it. So that's how I know the products I'm using today is not doing anything horrible to my skin because I've been using it consistently and a lot of my breakouts have gone down. Now that it's set, I'm going to go in with my Kiehls Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I have used this on a makeup tutorial before. This is the mini size. I am going to repurchase the bigger size. This was sent to me by Kiehls, but once again, I love Kiehls, and when I saw they were going to send me free goodies, girl, I was excited. I was like, god damn it, did I make it? Am I going to get a Tarte brand trip? JK, I would not want to go on a Tarte brand trip. Then I'm going to go into my Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. I love this facial cream. I am going to be buying. As you can see, I've used a lot of it because, so good. When I'm in California, this is the moisturizer I use because as an oily girly, it is not greasy. It doesn't make my pore feel like there's like gunk in it. It's just lightweight and gorgeous. Any other product I use, I let this sink into my pores for about 30 seconds because I want to make sure that when I am putting on sunscreen that it's like the formulas are not coming together and making my face feel greasy because sometimes sunscreen can feel like that. But this sunscreen I'm going to show you does not do that. Doesn't do that. No, sir. For the final product, this is the Kiehls Dermatologist Solutions Better Screen UV Serum. It has 50 plus SPF. I love this sunscreen. I even put on this sunscreen on my boyfriend too. Mind you, he's oilier than me. Like, he has very oily skin, so he's going to age beautifully. And he has a darker skin tone than me, and this does not leave a white cast. I like to put a generous amount, 2 pumps, because I like to bring this down to my neck. And yes, it does have that sunscreen smell. Super hydrating, not greasy. I look super healthy. Like, I love this. Like, it just brings back my skin tone, and it is pricey. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Kiehls is very pricey, but just think about this. It's the investment you're making in your skin. Last but not least, lip balm. Once again, not only is your skin super important, but also the skin on your lips. Don't forget about those bad boys. And I do not have lip fillers. I wish I did just because, you see, a lot of wrinkles on my lips and I kind of want to get that filled in, but whatever. I'm scared of needles. I don't know what I'm going to do. This is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm Lip Balm. This is my favorite lip balm and they discontinued it, or they're just having gift sets. Once this runs out, I'm just going to buy the $50 gift set and use the moisturizer for my makeup only. Because this lip balm, let me tell you. I use this as an overnight lip mask too. When I wake up, my lips are just so plump and juicy. It looks like I freshly got lip fillers. And it's not. It's just this little bad guy. And I love it. Once they don't, like, sell it anymore, I might cry. Like, Glow Recipe, explain. why. But yeah, friends, this is it. This is just my everyday getting out the door, skin care, skin prep, whatever you want to call it, because I don't wear any makeup on days like this. I just am too lazy to remove my makeup, and especially when the next day is work, I just don't want to do my crazy skincare routine of making sure every speck of makeup is off my skin. But I love you guys, and I will see you next time when I decide to sit down and film. Bye!